everyone, this is a collaboration with Glitter and Sparkle by Leanne. We both decided to do a collaboration on an autumnal set. This is her set and then this is my set. So there will be links to her channel and Instagram things in the description box if you want to go ahead and check her out. She's an amazing nail tech and she's got some great videos on her YouTube, so yeah, check her out. So I'm just coming in on this nail with Copper Hollow or Hollow Copper from Sparkle Supplies UK. I'm just using that as a base and creating like a stripe down the nail. And then I'm coming in over the top of that with rainbow shards. These go different colours over different colours, so that's why they're called that. Iridescent type shards, they're beautiful. And I'm just trying to keep that line as straight as I can with my brush, although I do go in and file it anyway. And then I'm just capping that in clear and I'm making sure that I'm building it high enough so that my apex is in place as well. So I'm just trying to keep it as neat as I can with my brush. Sorry. And then moving on to the next nail. I think I was opening acrylic pots here, sorry. And here I'm coming in with Nail Vision's Kiss Me Slowly it's called. Beautiful colour. I will leave a link in the description where you can get this from as well. I'm just doing a full nail of that. And again, on the rest of the nails, I pretty much do a full nail on them all. Can't speak tonight. Sorry about that. Yeah, pretty much do a full nail of Kiss Me Slowly on the rest. It's quite a simple set, but this client had really tiny nails, like really tiny. I think my 10-year-old niece's nails are bigger than hers, but we cracked on anyway. I just love this colour for autumn. Stunning. It was quite cold in the room today as well, so my acrylic was a bit runnier than usual. So I do apologise for that. So I'm working quite thin with this because I'm going to cap them all anyway. I'm just making sure I've got the right coverage. Here I'm going in with these little glitter maple leaves, they're gorgeous. I got these from Angel Glitter Mats. But like I say, I'll leave links in the description box with any discount codes and things that I've got anyway. So I'm just capping that nail straight away because I didn't want them to flick off because they are quite thick. Like, I wouldn't recommend using them with gel polish because they're too thick. And then again on the thumb, just a full nail of Kiss Me Slowly. I did record the other hand as well, but I've not kept it in because the camera was deciding that it wanted to focus on my hand rather than the nails, so it was quite out of focus and I thought it's going to be really annoying, so I just cut it out. And now I'm just going in with them rainbow shards again over that thumb. And then I'm just coming in with my file and just filing those sides really straight. As straight as I could on those tiny nails anyway. And then I'm just going down the sides of that with Kiss Me Slowly again, which was running everywhere. I'm going to have to put a heater in my room because it's getting colder and colder now. I'm using my CJP Liz Gill brush in this video as well, which is quite a new brush. I've not really used it that much, although the more I use it, the more I like it. So that could be why I'm getting my ratio a bit wrong as well, because it's a different size brush than I'm used to. So now I'm just coming in and capping all the nails. Also, when you're doing the cutout design, like I've done on the ring finger there, don't worry if you go over the glitter as long as you've capped it, because when you come back into file it'll reveal all the sharp lines that you've created anyway. So just making sure I've got my apex in place and I've covered all that glitter, because you don't want to be filing that off when you come to file over the nail. So I've shaped, filed and buffed off camera because I've got videos on that anyway on my channel. So I'm just coming in here with dab coat and just top coating all the nails. You can see here what I've done on the other hand anyway. I just love those maple leaves, they're so pretty. And those rainbow shards as well. So I'll put a client in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. And then I'm just coming in on the little finger with Rose Dust pigment from Sparkle Supplies UK. I'm just rubbing that in with the eyeshadow applicator, and then just to make sure it's all flat to the nail, I just rub over it with my finger and then top coat, cure it again. And then I'm doing the same on the other hand. So there will be a little clip and a photo of the finished result. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and do, and check out the description box for Leanne's channel. Go ahead and subscribe to her as well, she's amazing. So thank you for collaborating with me, Leanne, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Thank you, bye.